Hi, friends!
Port Hastings, originally known as Plaster Cove, is a historic community on Cape Breton Island. Port Hastings is located at the eastern end of the Canso Causeway on beautiful Cape Breton Island. It is known for its hills, low mountain ranges, river valleys, lakes, forests, and diverse coastline. Originally inhabited by the Mi'kmaq Indians, it later saw settlers arriving from Scotland and the Isle of Jersey. Douse Elizabeth Ballake, an early entrepreneur, developed a gypsum quarry and weaving business. The village thrived as a business center, with telegraph offices, a post office, and various shops. Today, it remains a charming community with ties to its past. In 1901, the Inverness and Richmond Railway was built here, connecting coal mines in Inverness to a loading dock at Point Tupper. The construction of the Canso Causeway in 1955 turned Port Hastings into an important railway junction. Fishing vessels frequented the port, and the first telegraph cable connected it to the mainland. Now, the Trans-Canada Highway, including Highway 104 and Highway 105, passes through this community. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty and history of Port Hastings, Nova Scotia.